Frequency uses this symbol. This refers to how many times the pattern of an electrical signal repeats per second. For example, homes in North America use 60 Hz and homes in Europe use 50 Hz. This just means that the AC sine wave repeats 60 or 50 times per second, but we measure this in the unit of Hertz. This is all to do with the speed of the electrical generator. Remember, electricity is dangerous and can be fatal. You should be qualified and competent to carry out any electrical work. To read frequency, we insert the red lead into the V terminal and the black lead into the COM terminal. Then select the frequency function on the meter. Ensure your leads, equipment and working area is safe, and I recommend turning the power off first. Do not touch the probe ends, wear rubber boots to insulate yourself, and stay away from any grounded surfaces. Then connect into the electrical system, and when it is safe to do so, turn the power on. The meter will now show the frequency, and the value will change depending on where you are in the world. Turn the power off before disconnecting. This particular meter defaults to AC voltage and indicates we need to press the yellow button to take a frequency reading.